My K Sound Box by Jane Belk Moncure. Illustrator Rebecca Thornburg. K. K. Little K had a box. I will find things that begin with my K sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. But first, I will be a king. So he dressed up like a king. Then, Little K went for a walk. He found a koala. Did he put the koala into his box? He did. Next, Little K found kingbirds. Did he put the kingbirds into his box? He did. Then, Little K found a kitten. Kitty, kitty, he called. Lots and lots of kittens came from everywhere. Little K tried to put the kittens into the box, but the kingbirds did not like it. Do you know why? What could Little K do? He found a kangaroo. The kangaroo had a big pocket. Little K put all the kittens into the pocket. A king can do anything, said Little K. So he played the kettle drum. Then he put it into the box. Next, he looked through a kaleidoscope. Here is what he saw. He put the kaleidoscope into the box too. Then, Little K found kites. Lots and lots of kites. I will fly a kite, he said. But the wind blew the kite away. The kingbirds flew after the kite. The kittens kicked the kangaroo. The kangaroo sneezed, "Gachoo!" and blew everything into a kindergarten classroom. My, what fun the kids had! Little K's word list: kaleidoscope, kangaroo, kettle drum, kids, kindergarten, king, kingbird, kite, kitten, koala. Other words with Little K: kayak, keg, ketchup, cattle, key, kimono, kiss, kitchen. kiwi.